Hey friends! Easter is coming, and today we're going to color eggs using natural ingredients you can find at home. It's super fun and easy. Let's go! Here is what you need. Before we start, grab some hard-boiled eggs, as many as you want to color. Water, vinegar. This helps the colors stick. Now for the natural ingredients that will help with the color. We are going to get yellow from turmeric powder or fresh blue from red cabbage, pink from fresh beets, green from fresh spinach, orange from onion skins. Let's make the colors. Now let's make our dye. Grown-ups can help with this part. Add 2 cups of water to a pot. Add your coloring food, like beets for pink. Boil for 10 minutes. Let it cool and strain into a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Now for the fun part! Time to color the eggs. Drop your eggs into the colors and wait. For light colors, leave the eggs for 30 minutes. For darker colors, leave them overnight. Look at these beautiful eggs! Wow! Look at these amazing colors. You just made natural, colorful Easter eggs. Try different foods and make your own magical colors. What colors will you try? Let us know. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun videos. Happy Easter!